Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the vlog. Happy birthday if today's your birthday. And it is Wednesday, hump day. The nice part of having Monday off this week is it's already Wednesday, even though like it feels like a Tuesday. Although it did put me way behind, so I've been working like overtime trying to catch up, but I don't know. I guess that's the trade-off, relaxing for an extra day. Some lip balm going. I still have been super addicted to this Lord Jones CBD lip balm. It is so good. It goes on silky smooth, doesn't have like a taste, it doesn't get like clumpy on my lips. Big fan. Maybe I should do a bit of skincare actually. I have this little zit situation over here, which I'm not loving. I'm also wearing a bit of a Gore outfit, so ignore that. And also need to do laundry. I'm gonna start that literally right now. Well, not literally, but in just a second. I've been having to do laundry for a little while, but, oh no, I need what you guys are sitting on. Been meaning to do laundry for a while, but one, laundry is my least favorite chore, so I'm always putting it off. But also, our laundry machine in our place is sort of small, and so what I could usually do in one load takes two, and doing 2 loads of laundry is just my nightmare. Of course, you could argue if I did laundry more often, I wouldn't have to do 2 loads, but doesn't it even out then because I'm doing laundry more often? I don't know. Hi, Molly Cat. Connor left to go pick up a coffee because he's all out of his K-pods. By the way, we're getting groceries delivered. They should be here soon. Molly Cat just stood by the door and cried so much when he left. It was so sweet. She loves living with him. Turn this light off. Still really need to rearrange your bedroom, but it is just such an annoying project. We haven't gotten around to it yet. Too busy, too tired. By the time the weekends come around, we're exhausted. It's just not right. Let's knock on our door. So dark. We got the groceries though. Thought it would be fun to do a little grocery haul for you guys since we do order a lot of the same stuff I always got, but also some different stuff too. Hi, Con. Since Connor and I live together now, and so we get stuff for him too. So let me show you.
Hold on, baby.
Well, I'm gonna do a little grocery haul.
Okay.
So it's okay, don't worry about it. Okay, something that we are always ordering from the grocery store now that I live with Connor is goldfish, which honestly, dream come true. We go through them in literally one night. It's so bad, but they're just so addicting. There's no better snack other than maybe popcorn. Also for Connor, always getting these French roast K-pods. Uh-oh, we did not need these, but somehow they stuck into our cart. More wraps. We have a billion of them, but it's fine. But what we did actually order is some of these larger wraps for our Crunchwrap Supremes. Wow, he got us a lot of them. Okay, well, we're never gonna need wraps again. Don't think I ordered this many. Well, but okay. Whole wheat bread, another thing that I never had bread in my home for some reason before. But Connor makes sandwiches a lot for lunch, and I really like sandwiches too. I don't know, I would never buy the stuff for them, typically. And another thing that we get now that I live with Con, always have a baguette at the beginning of the week that he can use for his sandwiches. This one's really soft, Con.
Ooh.
Right? All right, here we go. We got a lot of fish in here. We have some tuna steaks and some salmon, both from the deli this time, which I always like when I go to the deli. Also got some more white rice. Just like to have that on hand since we like to use that in a lot of different meals. Ketchup, something I would absolutely never, ever under any circumstance have in my home. And Connor will put this on everything.
Suck it, Jill.
I like ketchup. I would just never, ever need to have it. So this isn't what we ordered, but I guess he replaced it. Some vegan ground beef. Now here's a Jill staple classic that I have not gotten delivered since Conor and I have been living together. The Chateau Saint Michelle Riesling. Delicious. Very excited about this. 2 green bell peppers, pretty average. Cheddar jack shredded cheese, pico de gallo, some mozzarella pearls, which I've been loving throwing in my salads. Asian sesame salad kit. I turned Connor onto that one, and it's delish. Also got us some strawberries. Thought these would be yummy to snack on, and also to like slice up and put in some water. Pizza crust. Never had this on hand at my place, but Connor always did, because he's a big homemade pizza guy, so we make that pretty often. Cherry tomatoes, English cucumbers, avocados. Love me some avocado. And then pizza sauce for the pizza. There you go. That is the grocery haul today. I feel like this is pretty typical. Like, this is pretty much like the basics of what we would usually get, plus a thing here or there, but this is pretty much what we've been eating since we've been living together. I'm not ready for this day to start. I'm not ready to be productive. Lunchtime, got a sandwich going on that baguette that we got today. It looks so good. And then some butternut squash soup. Gonna be delicious. Well, this day has just flown by so far. It's 5:07. The last thing that I have to do today is just edit a video, so that's what I'm gonna work on right now. Connor just ran out to go for a run, so he's out doing that. I wanna get another workout in today if I can, keep the momentum. Connor and I were like, let's challenge ourselves to work out more, hence his run and my workout today. And then we really don't have a plan for tonight. It's Wednesday, so I was thinking maybe we would have a bottle of wine, maybe a little cheese board situation. Oh, actually, you know what we are doing tonight? I forgot about this. We are making pad thai. It's gonna be so good. Today has been a good day though. It was productive, but not like overly stressful or anything. Overall, really can't complain. I got my laundry going, which obviously I hate doing, but whatever, at least I'm getting it done. Been watching Potomac all day in the background. Real Housewives of Potomac is my current guilty pleasure show, and it is living up to that. Let me tell you. 7:30 dinner time. We were gonna make our pad thai tonight, but I just am not feeling up to making something quite so elaborate tonight. And I'm also pretty hungry, so I want something like quick. I don't know why I got really hungry all of a sudden. Maybe I will do mac and cheese. I was thinking ramen, but mac and cheese sounds good too. You're gonna have the pizza, babe?
Yeah, I think so.
What do you think I should have?
Do you want pizza?
No. I want, well, the two things that I'm considering are ramen or mac and cheese. And I'm conflicted.
That sounds good.
I know, I need help. What does your gut tell you?
My gut tells me mac and cheese.
Okay, mac and cheese it is.
Stick with it.
All right.
You're intrigued by it?
I was intrigued by it. I have to say, I think that our stove is the hottest stove that's ever existed. It cooks things so fast, it's so nice. Or it comes to a boil like instantly, it feels like. Big fan. I cooked this mac and cheese in literally 10 minutes from start to finish. How is that possible? Maybe 12, but still. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Yum. Wow, very happy with this choice. Thank you, Connor. Do you want to make your dinner before we start that, babe?
Yeah, are you done?
Yeah, I'm done. Gotta season this baby up.
Sweeten that bitch up.
Not sweeten.
Oh, sauce that bitch up.
Season. Dude, listen to me when I speak.
Nothing. No response back. You're just picking fights. I get it.
We got the goods. Oh yeah. This mac and cheese is so good. I am dying, and we are watching The Alienist. This is our new show, and we are very much enjoying it right now. A couple episodes in, and it is good. Well, it is 10:13 p.m. and we are heading into bed. Both of us just looked over at each other and we were like, yeah, we're tired. We're ready. So I'm gonna go lay in bed for a bit, read my book. I think Connor might put something on the television. It's gonna be a nice, relaxing end to our night. So thank you guys for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.